Mr. Nguyen.
Click on the training link and it brings you to this screen. This is MindTap. Click on the Start button. That brings you to Module 1 training. Notice there are 33 tasks to complete. Click on the arrow to jump to the next one. Task 2, Task 3, 4, 5, and so forth. You must complete one task before moving to the next. However, if you go back and practice, you can jump to any task you like. On here, there are 4 modes. Intro, do not have to do anything. Observe, click play. This is to watch and learn. It does it automatically. The task is performed and you just have to watch. When that is finished, do practice. Click play. Practice can be performed as many times as you need. On here, follow the instructions. Double click Sheet 1 Sheet tab. Then type the tab name, Sales. Hit enter. This shows the practice is completed for this task. Next, apply. In the apply mode, you are allowed only 3 attempts. Instructions is at the bottom right corner here. It says to rename Sheet 1 worksheet with the new name Sales. So double click and type in Sales. As an example, let's say I misspelled. It shows the task was done incorrectly. I'm allowed a second chance. Now I type it correctly, hit enter, and it shows I completed right. Then it moves on to task number 6, the next task. Moving on to the exam. Click on the exam link and it should take you to the screen. On here, click Start button. Notice there are 33 tasks to complete. Same as in the training. Exact same. Task 1 through 4 has been completed. Now we're on to task 5. Notice there are 3 attempts remaining. Recall that in the training, unlimited number of attempts. See the instructions at the bottom right corner? It says to rename Sheet 1 worksheet with the new name Board. Type in B-O-A-R-D. Click enter. It shows the correct result and it moves on to task number 6. At the end, you will receive a grade, and the grade will be integrated to Blackboard. On to the third and final component of the module, the project. Click on the link that will take you to this MindTap screen for the project. On here, click the Start button. You will see a screen that looks like this, showing step 1 of 2. On here, there is the instruction file, a Word document on the left, and an Excel file on the right. First, download the instruction file. It's a Word document that looks like this. On here, there are project steps, step-by-step instructions that provide guidance on what needs to be done. The work is done in Excel. At the bottom of the Word document, see the screenshots. These screenshots should match, or your work in Excel should look like what these screenshots appear. If it doesn't, something was done incorrectly. Go back, review, and fix it. Then download the Excel file. The Excel file has your name with the underscore and the suffix number 1. Download it, save it. Be sure to rename it with the number 2 in the end later. We will go over that step shortly. Now, let's save this file. Click on File, Save As, Browse. It displays a 1. Replace that with a 2. Save in the location where you could access it later. Now go to step 2 of 2, this screen, and locate the blue box to upload the file, to submit it. Click on it, find where you saved that file with the suffix number 2 at the end. Click on Open, then Submit button. Now Cengage creates an output report. Click on the View Report button. As seen on here, there are feedback given for each instructions, each task item. The one in green, the green check marks are done correctly. In red, with the red X, something was done wrong. For example, with number 11, no points were given, 0 out of 6. As a result, this project received 94 out of 100. For the project, you're given 3 attempts. You can correct it and submit it again. Submitting the training, the exam, and the project completes the module. Grades are shown in Cengage Gradebook. It's also in Blackboard.